On the morning of September 2, 2024, Class 10th hosted the morning assembly. The assembly was started with the pledge and then ran forwards with the thought and word of the day.
India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters.
I take this pledge that I will remain committed and devote my time for cleanliness.
एक उत्साही दृष्टिकोण आपके आसपास के लोगों को प्रेरित और प्रोत्साहित कर सकता है.
An ebullient attitude can inspire and uplift people around.
Today's word of the day is ebullient, meaning cheerful and full of energy.
Afterwards, the news was presented and the Bharat Ko Jano facts were shared with everyone.
ED finds DMK MP rupees 908 crore in FMA case.
In Meghalaya, there are rich method of living roots, which are all organic.
आज का पर्यायवाची शब्द है अम्बू, जिसके पर्यायवाची हैं जल, पानी, नीर.
To test the general knowledge of the students, GK questions were also asked, along with some amazing facts.
Who is often referred as the Shakespeare of India? Correct answer is Kalidas. 2 September celebrated as a coconut day.
To take learning easier, mnemonics were shared and proverbs to make your language more attractive.
Proverb of the day is, if you'll scratch my back, I will scratch yours. Its meaning is, if you do something to help me, I will do something to help you.
Today's mnemonics of the day is Vibgyor. V stands for violent, I stand for indigo, B stand for blue, G stand for green, Y stand for yellow, and R stand for red.
Just was a good tip to knowledge, sunrise and sunset time was shared with temperature of the day.
Today's maximum temperature will be 35 degree and minimum temperature will be 27 degree Celsius.
Today's sunrise time was 5:57 a.m. and the sunset time will be 7:07 p.m.
Phases of moon and number facts too had significance in our day-to-day life.
2520 is the smallest number which is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10.
Guru Moonfus is very crescent.
Hindi Panchang was shared so that we do not separate from cultural roots.
आज का हिंदी पंचांग है दिनांक 2 सितंबर 2024, वार सोमवार, पक्ष कृष्ण पक्ष, तिथि अमावस्या, विक्रम संवत 2081.
Ahilyabai at a young age lost her son and husband, so invasions were common. So to protect her kingdom, she became a warrior queen and led her armies into the battle all by herself.
Myths and riddles were spoken to check the critical thinking of the students.
I go on red but stop for green. What I am doing? I go on red but stop for green. Eating a watermelon.
Today's myth for the day is, a herd skips a beat while we sneeze.
Questions of the day was something which can leave us wandering sometime.
Today's question of the day is, why do we feel ticklish in some areas of the body?
Following it, the birthday cards were given to the birthday stars by Principal Sir. The assembly was concluded with the speech by the Principal Sir and then National Anthem.
So wishing you all the very best for exams, and please make sure that exams need not to be taken like having a very serious mood. You need to enjoy all your time at home also. Whatever you play at your home, you must donate your hours for that. Merely just converting all your hours and just having a rigorous study, that will be killing your whole, I think, mode of preparation. So please enjoy your time. This is not something to take it as a hectic one.
Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.